Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Kickstart. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Kickstart works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area so you will get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you will know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now, these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has a wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So anyway, let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Kickstart methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, Kickstart is a program that will teach you how to create free affiliate marketing courses that provides high quality information so you can give this away for your customers in order to sign up on your email list. Now, if you're wondering why this teaches you how to give away free product, now in order to collect buyer lists, you must give away valuable offer for them to sign up on your email list. So for example, if you create an ebook on how to start with affiliate marketing, then you use this to offer people, and in exchange they will enter their email address, so you can start collecting their email address to send them the free book you are giving away. Now, this is how you actually get trust to your leads and buyers, so that and so selling something right off the bat basically is not gonna work. So if you don't offer something valuable, and then if you want to sell something to your customer, then it's not gonna work, especially nowadays. Everyone wants your trust and the value of your branding of what you can offer for them. You don't want to come off like, have you ever come across a seller that's really annoying and you just want to get rid of them? So the same concept with this method. So you have to learn how to create, like, it could be an ebook, or it could be a valuable information that you'd like to share to your customers in order for them to gain your trust. And then in return, when you start offering them your services, then they'll be more than likely to consider buying from your services, from your offers, and so on. So in order for this to work, you need to offer something valuable in order for anyone to purchase from you by building an email list. And this program will teach you how to do that. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now, this program will teach you how to create high quality freebie. I call it a freebie because it's kind of like you're trying to pitch in something, but then in order for your customers to gain your trust, then you're gonna have to give a freebie. So you're gonna have to give a valuable high quality freebie, which this program will teach you how to do it. You're going to use this to get leads. You can use this to get buyers so that you can grow your email list. So your freebie is kind of like your bait, so that potential buyers and lead magnets out there can earn your trust, and that's how you can basically collect their email address when you're offering something valuable. So next time when you send them offers to their email, then it could be whatever offers that you'd like to share. It could be your services or so on. Then more than likely they'll consider buying from you because you've given them valuable information that are very helpful for them, or it could be anything that will answer their question to their problem. And so that's how you pretty much get someone to buy from your offers, which is what I call an email list. So if you're not familiar with an email list method, so basically I have talked about this from my previous videos. So You need to build an email list so that as when you try to offer all this freebie stuff that are, valuable information to everyone out there, then most likely they're going to sign up to your email list, and then you're going to start collecting a lot of those customers or the people who wants to be on part of your email list because you're giving them offers, you're giving them this valuable information. And so once you start growing that, then you can send them all the offers or services that you have, that you can or that you want to sell to them. So that is your way of collecting your audience or your buyers, is by saving them to your buyer list or to your email subscriber. And this program will actually help you create a good quality offer, because if you offer something that is not as good, that are subpar, then most likely they won't sign up. They won't provide their email address just to get this information, because what is the point of signing up and you're giving them a nonsense or a not so good information. And so pretty much, this whole method is about letting all these buyers to sign up on your email list so that you can offer them your services. And this is actually good for beginners and newbie. So if you're a newbie friendly, you're a beginner, you can learn from this method. So you don't have to have prior experience in order for this to sign up or to get one and learn from it, because it contains video trainings with online marketing that are definitely that you can check out in the members area. And then you can always watch the trainings, and honestly it's never too late to learn, and you can earn money from this as well. So this method is all about teaching you how to bait your customer buyers in order for you to start earning money, so that if you're trying to fish for buyers out there, then you're gonna have to have a good bait, which is a good information that you can provide so that you can get good customers on your list. So you won't lose your subscribers is one of the things that I like about this method, is because once you start collecting leads or your email list buyers, then they are all yours. And so it's not like, for example, if you have a social media that lets you create followers, then you have 1,000 followers. I get it. It's free, and you can post anything that you'd like onto your page or whatever social media that you may have for those people that are following you. The chances of you losing all your subscribers is probably around 70%, because nowadays a lot of social media companies are very strict with their rules about, especially with the affiliate marketing. And so you can lose your account like instantly. Like even I know someone who has a YouTube channel. She's got all the subscribers, and one thing next, YouTube decided to close down her account for some odd reason. And so whereas this method, you can actually keep your email list buyers forever. You can keep them wherever you go. If you want to switch to a different email marketing program or an email marketing platform, then you can always have those with you wherever you go, and you can always give offers to your email list. So this is one of the reasons why I like this method. And it's not like, social media is a great way to share with your and connect to your buyers, but then the chances of losing all of them is 70%. So it can be scary. It's fun to interact or to give engagement with them through social media, but that's just my 2 cents. Knowing someone who has a social media and then one thing to the next, they lost all their 1,000 subscribers is kind of scary. And so for having an email marketing list, it's actually safer. You can have them forever. You don't lose them because they are all yours. Now I'm going to show you the demo of Kickstart. So on to the members area. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Kickstart. So over here is the main dashboard of the program. So before you start, you can watch this the free traffic upload your promo over here. And if you scroll a little bit down is where you can click to learn how to make 10K plus a month within 60 days. And here is to if you click on here is the 14-day free get response trial. So get response is actually an email marketing platform. So this is what you use to build your email list. And over here is to click to get over 200 free lead magnets. Here is the get access to 80 bonuses you can give away with profit maximizers. Now this is good because these are free and you can actually use this to give offers to your buyer list. And then here is how you rank your YouTube video with SEO Clerk. This is learn more about solo ads. Learn how to make money with 12-minute affiliate system over here. Now onto the left side here is the welcome video here, and then right next to it is the important announcement. So you click on here is to receive important information via email. And then right here is the Kickstart, and over here they're gonna show you how to do the Kickstart your income by building a list. And over here is to explode your list, and then depending on what are your upgrades that you're going to purchase, because over here is the bonus bonus one rather is the grants. Bonus 2 is back to the profits. Now right next to it is the Kickstart boost. Now over here is they're gonna teach you how to get free traffic using all these techniques over here. So before that, you're gonna have to go through intro to Kickstart boost, and then next would be the YouTube traffic promo, then YouTube traffic 2 demo, and then next to it is the Facebook traffic. Then over here is Twitter traffic, Pinterest traffic, and Instagram traffic, and so on. So all this lessons here is going to teach you how to get free traffic basically. So again, if you decide to upgrade this product, then you'll get to unlock all this so that you can get a preview or get access to all this free traffic program that you're gonna get from this program. So make sure you upgrade this product, and then you'll be able to get access to all this free traffic trainings. And over here is the Kickstart Pro. And then again, if you decide to upgrade this product, then you can get access to affiliate links, set up your done-for-you website, map your custom domain, point traffic to your new site. And next would be the bonuses. Now I also offer you my free bonuses as well as my way of saying thank you. And on top of my free bonuses, you will also get all these free bonuses in the members area when you decide to purchase Kickstart. And that's pretty much it. So this is the Kickstart members area. Now I've also put together a custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Kickstart, this is going to go live on August 4th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here, this is going to change into buy now button. So make sure you keep an eye on the yellow button, and that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before my countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here, over here. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about these bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here, which you'll find down below on my bonus page. And then you can go ahead and send me a message there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $1. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So as you can see here, when you decide to purchase the front end of Kickstart, it's only $1. As you can see here, and this is where you can access the powerful Kickstart software and training modules. Excuse me. And if you decide to upgrade the Kickstart boost, where you can get access to, let's see here, if you want to get access to the free trainings here for the traffic, then you can purchase it excuse me, for $17. So that's where you can actually get all this opportunity to explore your list building with a full promo package training, showing you exactly what to do, drive traffic from 6 free sources. So all this will show you how to get free traffic for the social media platforms here. Okay, over here, that is the upgrade for this one here, only for $17. Then the upgrade number 2 is Kickstart Pro, $37. This will allow you to earn commissions from building the list by giving away the free training, by giving you your done for you training site, where all you have to do is upgrade your site with affiliate links. And as individuals attending the free training may have purchased products referenced in the training. Then upgrade number 3 is the Kickstart Elevate for $97. Now this will give you access to one of the experienced Kickstart marketers who will assist you in one-on-one for 1 hour to help you with the technical issues that you may have regarding Kickstart. Upgrade number 4 is the Kickstart Gold for $197. Now we realize everyone is at different levels within their online journey and has various levels of technical competence, and often some individuals may just need more personal attention to succeed. Upgrade number 5 is the Kickstart Reseller for $137. Kickstart Reseller's license will give you the right to all revenue made through your affiliate link throughout the entire funnel. So you can feel free to check out all the upgrades down below in the description of my video, and click on the link and it's going to take you to this page here for the upgrades. So when you get access to my bonus page here, make sure you scroll all the way down and feel free to read more about the available upgrades of Kickstart. Remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $1 during the launch period of Kickstart. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 7th. So make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $1 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Kickstart review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Kickstart at the discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.